Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. How many perfect cubes do you remember? 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000, 11 cube 1331, 12 cube 1728, 13 cube maybe 2197, 14 cube I don't know. It's really awkward for me to remember cubes after 13, and hardly 1 out of 500 people remember cubes up to 20. And so we need a method to find the cubes easily, that too cubes of what? 2-digit numbers. We are not talking about huge numbers like 3-digit number cube will have 7-8 digits. We don't want to get into that. Calculators will do that for us, but cubing 2-digit numbers is what we require. So friends, in this video I am going to take up this cubing the 2-digit numbers, and this is a part of our speed maths book, The Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths, which has 350 such short methods. If you are a parent or a teacher, gift your students, your children, this amazing speed maths book so that they can excel in mathematics. They can build up on what they learn at junior level, and they don't have to spend lakhs of rupees in coachings when they get into class 11, 12th and senior classes. And how do you get a guide to speed maths at your home? It actually has 2 volumes. This is volume 1, this is volume 2, and everything is given in this, all the detailed description of 350 tricks and how they work, using some examples, the illustrations, and then challenge zones to practice that, answer key to tally your answers, video links to understand the concept in deeper way. Everything is there. And how do you get a copy of this amazing combo at your doorsteps? Just send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number, 9896 369963 is the WhatsApp number. Or somehow, if you are not using WhatsApp, the description of this video contains the Amazon links, so you can purchase from Amazon also. I'll show you a glimpse of the books later on, but first I want to get into the cubing of 2-digit numbers. Let's take an example of 18 cube. Okay, so I want to do 18 cube. So what will I do? I will consider this as A, this as B. So I will write 4 numbers: A cube, A square B, AB square, B cube. A cube is 1 cube, which is 1. A square is 1 only, and B is 8. So 1 into 8, 8. A is 1, B square is 8 square, 64. And B cube, 8 cube is 512. So you should know single digit cubes. Now the middle 2 numbers are to be doubled. 64 is 128. I will write the double below this. 8 is 16. I will write here and then add vertically. How? 2 comes down. The 51 here gets carried forward like this. So 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 comes down and the 1 gets carried forward. Now the entire thing here, this part, will be the carry forward number. So 12 plus 11, 23, 24. So 24 is carried forward. So 8 plus 4, 12 plus 6, 18. So 8 and 1. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 carried, and this becomes 5. 5, 8, 3, 2. Is that the cube of 18? Just check using the calculator and you will be really amazed that the answer is correct. What am I doing here? I am using the algebraic identity of A plus B whole cube, and that's how it works. If you are understanding the algebraic identities, the application part is even more interesting, and that's where the students become smart. I'll show you one more example. Let's see, we have 26 cube. Okay, so this is A and this is B. So I have to write A cube, A square B, AB square, B cube. A cube, 2 cube is 8. A square, 4 times 6, 24. A into B square, 36 into 2, 72. And finally 6 cube, 216. See, I found those 4 numbers orally. Now double of this is 48. Double of this is 144. Put a line. 6 comes down, 21 carried. Now this is 7 and this part is the carry number. How much is this? 21, 23. So 23 written here. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 3, 15, 5, 1 carry. So 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 carried, 9 plus 8, 17. And there you have the answer. 17576 is the cube of 26. So easy, right? Slowly you start developing the speed. And once you start developing the speed, you realize everything works out so well for you and you become so confident in mathematics. So I wanted to show you this before getting into some big numbers. See, this is the combo. Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths, Volume 1. So if I open this book, a random page maybe, look at this. Magic multiplication tricks. It has introduction, then all sorts of tricks given here. And look at this, illustrations. Here we have the scan code through which you can watch the video, challenge zone, and the answer key. I have to show you the answer key also, right? So if you see here, see, this is the answer key for all the questions given in the chapter. Wonderful, wonderful research-based compilation. And if you or your child is not studying these two books, they are missing out on something, and that mathematical aptitude will be a problem if they don't know these methods. Okay, so I hope you have jotted down my WhatsApp number 9896369963. Okay, all right. Let's take one more example. I'm taking the example of 53 this time. I want to find 53 cube, right? So this is A and this is B, A and B. So A cube, 5 cube, 125. A square, 25 times 3, 75. A into 3 square. 3 square is 9, 9 fives are 45 and 3 cube is 27. Middle numbers, double of this is 150, double of this is 90. Now put a line. 7 comes down, 2 gets carried forward. This is 7. So 7, another 7 comes down, and then 9 plus 4 is 13, which goes here. 5 plus 3, 8 comes down. 15 plus 8, 23 comes here. 5 plus 3, 8, then 14. Here we have 148877, which is the cube of 53. Now, should I give you some DIY questions, do it yourself questions? Tell me what is the cube of 38. Tell me what is the cube of 42. And tell me what is the cube of 74. Do these using the method which I have told you just now, and I'm sure you are going to crack it. I'll wait for your comments here and tell me how much time you are taking to crack these questions. Okay. So friends, I hope you are sharing all these links which will prove to be a very good asset for all the school students, college students, placement exams, and you are getting all the notifications on your mobile because you have clicked the bell-shaped icon. So friends, I'll wait for your answers for the DIY questions and for your messages to get the combo of Speed Maths books. All the best.